Hey everyone, we are going to start our section 2 geography drafting. So these drafts will be due by Wednesday at 4 p.m. so that I can go through them and mark them up and send them back to you for editing. There's going to be two videos here. So this is the first video, and it's going to go over one piece of this section, and then the second video will go over synthesizing the information for essays. So I created a student account so that you see on the screen on my video just like you see it on your own screen. So if you look up in here, it doesn't say Mrs. Luck, it says 2026 student. That way we see the same things together. So I'm going to go up here to Google Classroom. And you can see this is what you see, which with whether you're in Social Studies 3 or Social Studies 4, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to click on Social Studies, and there's a new assignment posted called Section 2, Synthesizing Information. So when you click on that, yes, you can talk with me, but we do that through Google Hangouts. When you click on that, you see a couple things. So you see the Section 2 Geography doc, which has the itemized list of everything you have to do for it, and you see the two videos. Now, obviously, I'm recording this so that I can post the videos, so that's why you don't see the videos on here. But I'm going to go ahead and click on that Section 2 Geography, because this is going to tell me what exactly I need to put in the information. So the first thing, this first video, we're going to focus on this section here, the maps. So we put these same maps in our Google slides presentations. So we're going to use the exact same maps. You don't have to find new maps. We are literally going to use the same maps that we used in the Google Slides, which you should have already submitted. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to keep that open because it's important for me to be able to refer back to it. But then I'm going to go back to the classroom, and I'm going to click over here where it says plus, add, or create, and I'm going to create a doc. Okay. And that's going to load. It shows that it's my work. It's already in here. That way that when I'm ready to turn it in and mark it as done, I can turn it in right from here. So now that the doc's created, I'm going to click on it, and it's going to be blank. Okay, now I'm going to change the titling. Okay, so I'm going to change this to Denmark, because that's the name of my country. Denmark geography, I can spell, maps. Okay, and that's all I'm going to name it. I am on this sheet, on this page, I am not going to put a heading because we will have that on another page. Just a reminder, go back to the document that has all of your settings for these so that you have your margin set. The margin should be set at 1 inch, and your font and font size all the same. So I need to go ahead and change mine. Mine was Free Serif, I believe, maybe, should be on here, and I had it at 12. Okay, so what the other thing I'm going to do is I am going to open up my Google Slides that I submitted. So I actually have to pull these from my personal drive, not my student drive. So I'm going to pull these up. I'm going to search Denmark. Whoop. Here's my PowerPoint. So I'm going to open my PowerPoint because I'm going to copy and paste right from my drive. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to pull up is my political map, because if I look back here, I have to have a political map with a caption explaining the map. Okay, so I'm going to just right click on my map, hit copy, go to my Denmark geography page, and hit paste or Control V, and there's my map. Now I'm going to resize it a bit so that I'm utilizing space. Now, when you click on your map and it's got this blue outline, you can see these text wrapping options. I want you to click on wrap text, and what that enables you to do then is type right next to the map. So then I have to put a caption with this. So I'm going to type this political map of Denmark distinguishes major cities of the country, period. So I've got my map, I've got a quick caption explaining my map, and that's all I need to do for it. So then I am going to, where this is at the end, I'm going to enter a whole lot. And then I'm going to go back to my Google Slides, and I'm now going to click on my physical map. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to back here. I'm going to paste it with Control V. Now that kicked it down. So you might want to play with resizing. I'm actually going to check my margins because I kind of feel like my margins, nope, they're at 1 inch. They're okay. So I'm going to shrink this just a little bit so that I can also have this map. I want to do 2 maps per page. So that means I might have to shrink my maps just a little bit, and that's okay to be able to get both of them on the same page. Otherwise, if you're going to do 1 map per page, you want to make the map as big as possible. So I guess another option you could do is rotate your page to make it landscape. So this gives you a couple options. So if I do it landscape, I could put the text underneath if I wanted to do it that way. But I think I'm going to leave my page vertical, and I'm just going to do 1 map per page. So play with it a little bit, decide what you want your page to look like. So I'm just going to enlarge it, and I'm going to make the map cover 1 page. All right, so then I have my other map on here still. There it is. So I'm going to, oops, I'm going to enlarge this map. And I'm going to delete a bunch of those spaces that I had put in there. Okay, so I'm going to enlarge this map. So then the physical map is different from the political map because the physical map shows landforms. Now I can use the same caption here that I used before and use that as my caption for, oops, sorry. I'm trying to do multiple things at once. I can use that as the same caption here. So I just need to, I copied and pasted it, but I need to change it to black because it's on white. And then I have my physical map, okay? So then I'm going to go to my next one, and I'm going to add in my time zone map. I'm going to copy that, paste it, put a caption on, and then do the same thing with my choice map. Okay? And that is all you are doing for this first section. Okay? If you have questions, make sure to message me. I don't want you to turn it in though yet. Once you get this part done, you're going to watch video 2. And video 2 is going to go through how to type up the essay portion, and you will turn in both of those pieces right here on this screen, okay? I will see you guys in the next video.